In celebrities' birthday, today is the birthday of Alicia Augello Cook, professionally known as Alicia Keys. She was born on 25th of January in 1981. Today she is celebrating her birthday of 42 years old. Alicia Keys is an American singer and songwriter. A classically trained pianist, Keys started composing songs when she was 12 and was signed at 15 years old by Columbia Records. After dispute with the label, she signed with Arista Records and soon released her debut studio album, Songs in the Mirror, in 2001. Though Records, the album became a critical and commercial success, selling over 12 million copies worldwide and received 5 Grammy Awards in 2002. It contained the Billboard Hot 100 #1 single Fallin. Her second album, The Diary of Alicia Keys, released in 2003, was met with continuous success, selling 8 million units worldwide and spawning the single You Don't Know My Name, If I Ain't Got You, and Diary. The album earned additional 4 Grammy Awards. Her 2004 deal with Yosha My Boo became her second #1 single. Keys released her first live album Unplugged in 2005 and became the first female artist to have an MTV Unplugged album debut at #1. Her third album, As I Am, released in 2007, sold 7 million units worldwide and produced the Hot 100 #1 single No One in 2007. Besides her successful singing career, Alicia Keys also acted in movies like Smoking Ashes, released in 2006, The Nanny Diary, released in 2007, The Secret Life of Bees, released in 2008. In 2022, she released her 9th studio album and first independent release, Santa Baby. In 2023, she wrote, composed, and co-produced her first off-Broadway musical, Hey Kitchen. Keys sold over 90 million records worldwide, making her one of the world's best-selling music artists. Wishing happy birthday to Alicia Keys. Thank you for watching.